In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an affiliate program with GoHighLevel. We'll walk through creating an affiliate campaign that tracks referrals to a specific funnel, so your partners can promote your offer and you can see exactly where sales and signups come from. Make sure you're logged into the correct sub-account before we begin. Start by opening the marketing section from the left-hand menu. This is where GoHighLevel groups all the tools related to promotion and traffic, including the built-in affiliate features. Inside Marketing, look for Affiliate Manager. If you don't see it, your workspace permissions or plan may need to include the affiliate tool, so check with your account admin later. But for now, let's continue. Once you're in Affiliate Manager, head into the Campaigns area. This is the hub where each affiliate campaign lives and where you'll be able to organize links, track clicks, and attribute conversions. We're going to create a new one from scratch. Click Add, then choose Create Campaign. GoHighLevel may show a brief form or modal next, which is exactly where we want to start defining the details. Give your campaign a clear, memorable name. Think about a format that helps you stay organized, like offer name, funnel name, month, year. Good naming now makes reporting and team communication much easier later. Next, set the source. The source tells the system what asset your affiliates will be sending traffic to. In most cases, you'll be using a funnel, so select that from the available source options. After that, choose the specific funnel you want to promote. If you have multiple funnels with similar names, double-check you've got the correct one tied to your current offer. You'll then pick the first page visitors should land on. This is the exact page your affiliate links will open. It's typically your primary opt-in or sales page, but if you're running a special promotion, you might target a specific step deeper in the funnel. Select the page that best matches your campaign goal and ensures the smoothest path to conversion. Before you proceed, make sure the funnel is assigned to a working custom domain. This matters because affiliate tracking relies on a stable, branded URL. If the domain isn't connected or SSL isn't active yet, link the funnel to your domain and let the changes propagate before moving forward. Testing the page in an incognito window is a quick way to confirm everything loads correctly. Once those pieces are set, your affiliate campaign framework is in place and ready for the rest of your configuration, like commissions, payouts, and affiliate links. Save your work, and you're ready to scale with partners confidently.